Today on CryptoFox, we'll be looking at why people need to have at least 10,000 ADA in anticipation of the potential price run that it could undergo. This could be as a result of the latest revelation about the Cardano blockchain. If you haven't already, consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on post notifications. Also in the description are links to get your hands on GSX, the gold-backed currency. This growth coin is designed to withstand market volatility, and it's backed by real gold and other mineral resources. Be sure to check out the links in the video description. A blockchain is fundamental for every cryptocurrency and token as we see them today. And the development of blockchain technology was what gave birth to Bitcoin, the first cryptocurrency. But people barely know enough about the blockchain as much as they know about the cryptocurrencies that are developed using that blockchain. The tune has changed about how blockchains are used as it pertains to utility, especially with the world shifting heavily towards cryptocurrencies with the most utility. Nowadays, Bitcoin has less utility than most blockchain-based cryptocurrencies that we have out there. For instance, Ethereum has given birth to two distinct sub-industries under its blockchain, which are DeFi and NFTs. These have become a trend in the crypto market, and they've given great traction to the price of Ethereum. Examples of other cryptocurrencies that have also benefited massively from their utility include Cardano, Solana, and Algorand. Cardano, for instance, is one of the fastest growing cryptocurrencies. It was created by Charles Hoskinson back in 2017. Its self-described mission is to become a more environmentally sustainable and scalable blockchain network, in part by relying less on energy-consuming cryptocurrency miners. Seen as a direct competition for Ethereum, it hasn't failed in its purpose of providing secure transactions, reducing compliance costs, and speeding up data transfer processing. Lately, it's adopted a new upgrade to its network called the Alonzo upgrade. We've seen the coin grow from high to high in the short term while also maintaining its price and consolidation. During its run earlier in the year, it was certainly not one of the most discussed cryptocurrencies in the market. While the likes of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin lived in the spotlight, Cardano was moving in the background. It had such strong fundamentals to the degree that even while the rest of the market suffered in the bearish market, it was mostly in the green. In the bullish run that preceded that period, Cardano had reached over $1.20, and at the time it drew comparison with XRP, which had finally made it to over $1 as well. Before the bearish market started in May, XRP did trade above Cardano at about $1.30. But that wouldn't last long as it persisted to trade below $1 while Cardano maintained its high above $1 and would still later reach a new high at $1.40 to $1.50 price range. Since then, Cardano hasn't gone below that price level. With the latest development on the Cardano protocol and the anticipation of Cardano's full establishment on the proof-of-stake protocol, we expect that Cardano will reach new highs soon. Its price is currently trading around the $2.35 to $2.47 price range on the intraday chart, according to CoinMarketCap. All eyes are on a target high of about $3, which has since eluded it. Given how far Cardano has come in the shortest time possible, we can only expect the best from this cryptocurrency as we look for its potential for an uptrend. If we're recommending cryptocurrencies worthy of making it into your crypto investment portfolio, Cardano is surely a top pick. Its solid foundation gives it quite the traction that protects investors but also assures them of profit. Isn't that what we're all looking for in cryptocurrencies? A way to build wealth and also establish a viable source of passive income. If you haven't gotten a good look in onto Cardano just yet, maybe you should now. Think about how much Cardano has grown in this year alone. If people had chipped in while the coin was still trading within a cent to the dollar, and you owned a substantial amount of it back then, you'd have reaped 10 times that value right now. And for the next phase of Cardano's journey, holders of Cardano are advised to hold as much as 10,000 Cardano. If you say, oh, that's pretty much when converted to dollars, fact is that the price of Cardano is much higher now, and that means it would cost more to buy it. If at $1 you wanted to buy 10,000 ADA, it would cost you about $10,000, as opposed to the value of about $23,700 that it is now. And the longer you wait, the more it continues to rise. Cardano remains one of the cryptocurrencies that we will recommend that you own in large quantities. Its utility gives it so much growth potential, and if you're still waiting for a favorable dip in price, it just might not come. Looking at the price pattern towards the end of 2020, we had an extended rally, which was carried over into the new year. There is a growing belief that the same could happen again this year, particularly with the renewed momentum that the crypto industry has accumulated. and you want to be holding a handful of Cardano pending that period. For those looking to buy the dip, this chart offers a unique perspective of Cardano's price. The analyst states that moving averages and the MACD are suggesting a bearish bias among investors at the moment. However, the momentum indicator points to some interest among buyers as well. Cardano's price has been unable to crack the $2.50 pivot point, which is essential for confirming a reversal in the sentiment. However, on the upside, price does manage to hold above the immediate support at $2.09. Currently, Cardano's price seems to be undergoing a consolidation between $2.30 and $2.45, trading within the range and possibly getting ready for a breakout on the back of supporting fundamental developments related to the use of its recently launched smart contract functionality. This forms a pretty good buy range pending a change from the bearish sentiment to a more positive note, and there's enough cause to believe that things will switch up soon. One of the more interesting pieces of news coming from Cardano is that Cardano's commercial arm, Emergo, announced a joint venture with technology firm Blockchain 4A to form A Starter, an initiative focused on building DeFi services infrastructure on the blockchain network. The DeFi infrastructure hub will feature a launchpad, DEX, money market, as well as tech service dApps on the network, leveraging the new features rolled out after the recent Alonzo hard fork. In an announcement regarding the collaboration, CEO at Emergo, Ken Kodama, noted decentralized finance has appealed to the crypto community through its improved transparency, security, and credibility of processing financial transactions. The value of crypto assets under management in DeFi apps has risen sharply. A breakout is expected in the short term, especially with the latest upgrade. We're still counting the days that have followed the Alonzo upgrade, and in less than a week, Cardano's blockchain has seen over 40,000 smart contracts being created. This means thousands of developers are working hard on the Cardano blockchain to create dApps. This suggests a huge boost to the DeFi projects on the Cardano ecosystem. This could rise further as the adoption rate of its blockchain increases and send the value of ADA higher. There's a lot of excitement going on in the Cardano community following the upgrade. Members of the Cardano army can also look towards the Cardano Summit, which has been slated to be held towards the end of the month of September. The buzz that the seminar will generate will surely give the value some nudge due to social activity. Also, the anticipation is quite high as the company has announced that they would unveil some key partnerships at the event, which could keep investors interested in the network and support a rally in ADA very soon. With that in mind, what can we expect from Cardano this year? Cardano will obviously break out to $3 very soon, but we're left wondering about how far it can still go this year. $5? Maybe $10? It's hard to speculate on a specific value without considering the degree of volatility that could influence the market at a particular time. We can only speculate whether it be bullish or bearish, but that may not be enough. All we can do is prepare for whatever comes from the subsequent market moves. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on bell notifications. We also have a free Discord group where we share daily signals, and now you can also support us on Patreon. We have a special offer for our first 100 members, only $9.99 for our VIP Discord channels, where we share much more in-depth analysis and even one-on-one sessions. We also have a special discount offer on Binance. You'll get 5% off every trade you make on the platform if you sign up with our promo link in the description. And make sure you check out the GSX competition for your chance to win big. Links are below, and if you have any questions, drop us a comment. And as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
Hollywood Carson.